Let's make this yummy chocolate Oreo cake.
Everything turned to dust when we aimed to fly higher. We got lost and dragged each
Ingredients
other down.
list is here.
We kept running from the shadows in the night.
First, we take oil in a bowl and then add powdered sugar and mix them well. After it, I'm adding milk now. Now take a stainer and stain all the powdered products.
Goodbye to the past. Letting go of the darkness that kept tearing us down. Had to hit the rock bottom to understand that we weren't meant to be. We kept running from the shadows in the night, realizing it was not worth the fight. Moving on alone was what felt right.
Now mix it very well to make a smooth paste without any lumps. You can also use electric or hand beater. Now add vanilla essence and baking powder.
Everything turned to dust when we aimed to fly higher. We got lost and dragged each other down. We kept running from the shadows in the night, realizing it was not worth the fight. Moving on alone was what felt right.
Now it's time to add mixture in mold. Firstly, we'll ready our mold. Also spread some flour to avoid stickiness. Add mixture into the mold and tap it very well to out the trapped air in mixture. Now add some crushed Oreos on the mixture. We'll bake it in pan, so heat the pan for 5 minutes. And then place it in the pan and bake for 30 minutes. Your flame should be this much. And here is our baking is done. Hope you like this recipe, then give it thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel.